wow, this light behind me looks pretty intense and pretty angelic. But what's up, y'all? I'm at the airport. I'm traveling. I know it's been a couple days since I posted a little piece of love on the gram. So I'm back at y'all. Um, Today I was really thinking about, and Spirit was telling me about, like, what's the most creative way you can what's the most creative and fun way you can make your reality be exactly how you want it. And so what I'm thinking about is, like, I've met so many people since I've been in LA, and so many people are sustaining their lives and supporting their lives and their dreams with just things you would never think of. Like, somebody makes a icing company, or somebody's like, basically, like, I've found people who are living the lifestyles that they dreamed, doing something that I would have never thought that could support you like that. But really, in this reality, that's the game of it, in finding something that you can do that will support your. This is what I'm hearing. How can you make your lifestyle support your life? How can your lifestyle support your life? Meaning, how can what you love to do support you mentally, emotionally, financially in your life, so you can keep doing what you love to do? And so I was just thinking about that, and I just wanted to come on here and talk about looking at reality in a more curious, fun way, instead of serious and like, I gotta do this, or like, basically, I've always had the mind state growing up of, like, hustle, hustle, hustle. You gotta do this. You gotta get it done, get out there, as most of us have. But, like, you do have to put the work in. But it's like, how can we make it more creative? How can we make it more fun? How can we make what we do for income more fun? Do you like making hats or something? Make a hat, and then maybe in a year or two, the hat company will sustain your life. But I just wanted to plant the seed, and maybe we can get a conversation started about what are some great ways to make, one, passive income, and two, to make our creative adventures support our lifestyle. You know what I mean? Like, what does that mean to you? Let's get creative out here, because reality really is just like a video game. So it's like, what can we do in this video? How can we program this video game to make it towards our liking? Because we got to get out of being just the player. We got to tap into the programmer role. We got to tap into writing the code to the matrix. You know what I mean? And so I've seen a lot of my friends do this, and young, old, they just tapped in, and they tapped this, like on GTA, Grand Theft Auto, when you hit the cheat code on the cell phone, boom, boom, boom. Now you good. You got it just like that. So it's like, what are some creative ways to support your lifestyle? Okay, and if you find these creative ways and they seem impossible, what are some ways we can get that started to create and set up a pipeline of resources and or support and or income through this art or craft that can support you? Man, I don't know. Just think about it. I love y'all.